Okay, here we are. Got my Mark Levinson LS460 woofer out and checking the ohms. I've got an open, so I should be reading something, but not open. But I took this cover off here, and here's the voice coil, and here are the leads going at the flex leads going to the voice coil. And when I check here,
powering off.
When I check here, I got continuity. Guess it should be, not really sure what it should be. It's jumping all over the place, but I don't know why it won't sit still, but yeah. So clearly I have an open between the coil and the leads down here. Okay, I don't trust these leads here, so what I'm going to do is just run another flex wire from here to here and here to here. I may just use some desolder braid or something, I don't know, or maybe take some off another speaker. Okay, here's the desolder braid I'm going to use. So I'm just going to connect it here to there, here to there. Okay, I got one end on already. On this side, I'm going to do the same for this side. I put some solder paste on it as well that I had. It helps the solder melt quicker. And I'm using some old solder I had from Radio Shack. You know, that's old. And I got my heat gun here. Heat gun makes it go a lot faster as well. Okay, I got both of these on. I'm going to preheat this side so I don't have to, make it I don't know how people do this. I guess I need a tripod. That one's warmed up, I guess you could say. I'll go to this side. Alright. Okay, I clearly don't have enough hands for this. I got this camera standing up, but I'm just gonna put some solder on the end of this. They call it tinning it. Yep. Get it ready. And this side over here as well. Now I'm going to attach them down here. But I can't hold the camera, so I'm going to put it down for a second. Okay, here's the end result. I don't know how much life this speaker has left in it because we got a crack right here in the basket. I think another small one over here. But I'm gonna play it till it completely dies. Oh, also, here's my new readings. 12.5 ohms. Alright. Okay, here's my end result. Looks good. Reading 12.5 ohms. We'll see how it sounds. This is my wife's car, by the way. I have a LS460 also, but this is a LS460L. But yeah, this is my wife's. I keep mine, it's a lot cleaner than this. Yeah, and I didn't remove the seats or anything. I just kind of pried it open enough to get back here. Yeah, into there. Alright, here's the end result. Got the woofer in. Sounds pretty good.